So today we're going to make steak in the Ninja Foodie. Alright, so nice bit of steak there, and all we're going to do is add a little bit of olive oil. Nice little drizzle of olive oil, yeah, and then we're going to just add some black pepper. Nice generous amount of black pepper and some nice sea salt. There we go. Generous amount. Okay, then we're just going to rub that in. Just make sure the whole steak's getting it. Everything, yeah. Alright. Going to turn it over. Do the same thing. Bit of black pepper. Bit of sea salt. Rub it in. Make sure the whole steak's getting it. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to get the probe ready. Okay, so we untangle that, unravel it, should I say, not untangle it. Put that back. Plug the probe in into here. There we go. Right, then we start the grill. Press grill and press manual. Okay. So, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the temperature for about 45 degrees, I think. Yeah. So you can come and see it. 45 degrees, grill on manual, probes out. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to press start. Okay. And it's going to preheat. So if we press preheat and it says add food. Okay. So before we do that, we need to put the probe right inside, as deep into the steak as we can, and just let that preheat now for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so this has been preheating now for 5 minutes. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to add the steak now. Okay, so take that up, alright, and put the steak straight in. Nice little sizzle there, and close it up. Not tracking the wire. Right, now as you can see, temperature at the moment is 17 degrees, 18 degrees, okay? We need it to get to 45 degrees. When it's got to 45 degrees, this will go off, yeah? So we're just waiting for that now to go off itself. That's it. So it's now telling us to let it rest for 5 minutes, okay? So we're going to let it rest for 5 minutes. Okay, and then we'll take it out and taste it and see what it tastes like. So we're now ready to take that out. That looks absolutely gorgeous. So let's get it out and test it. Okie dokie, that looks really good. Let me just pull the probe out. Oh, it's warm. It's really, really hot. Oh, hang on a minute. There we go. Let's just put that over here for now. And as you can see, that looks really good, doesn't it? Yeah. Let's just test it. Let's give it a cut and see what it's all about. So, let's see. That looks amazing. Delicious.